You building it. Thank you. Yeah, forget. Sorry, I can't read your name. Oh, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Medyo, medyo masakit siya sa kamay kasi medyo matigas siya. Pero nasanay ka, okay na din naman. Yung gamit kong hook is, 3mm, minsan 3.5mm. Ang una ko tong gamit na yarn, masakit talaga siya sa kamay. Pero, maganda kasi siya gamitin para sa mga bags. Ayun, sana okay naman. You're very good at knitting. You were the best. Oh, not so, but well, thank you. Marami na yung lamok. Yeah, I forgot. Must be two chain here. Yeah, this is not knitting. This is crochet. 1, 2, and then, yeah. Chain 2, and then skip 2. Then 2 double crochet stitch. Thanks, Landy Wee. Then 2. Chain 2. And then 1, 2. Yeah. Daming kitik-kitik dito. Yung mga ibon. Probinsya. I'm in the province. You can hear something unusual. But, well, I don't care. Yes, see? Then chain 1, chain 2, and skip 2. And then 2 double crochet stitch. Tingnan nyo, my fingernails, it's not good anymore. I will change it tomorrow. So busy washing, busy cleaning. And at night, this one, crochet time. Double check, double check, double check. Ay, oh. Excuse. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.